children, last class we have learnt about a divisions lesson. Okay, today we are going to start new chapter, that is lesson number 7, mental arithmetic. That is, it may be addition or subtraction or multiplications. Okay, so lesson number 7 is what? Mental arithmetic. So not one number in the mind, one number in the finger, not like that. Mentally you must answer that single digits. Okay. So coming to page number 143 in your textbook, children. That is, after studying this lesson, you are going to learn that add and subtract single digit numbers mentally. Okay. For example, 9 minus 5 is how much? 9 minus 5 is 4. After 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 9 minus 5 is how much? It is 4. 9 minus 5 is 6, 7, 8, 9. That is 4. So, you can answer single digits and add and subtract multiples of 10. Multiples of 10, how can we multiply the number and the zeros we can put and we do the multiplication of 10. So, coming to page number 144 in your textbook, children. Sorry, page number 149 in your textbook, that is, add the following mentally. See. See, first one is what? 6 plus 2. 6. 7, 8. 6 plus 2 is how much? 8. 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4, 8. 4. 9, 10, 11, 12. So, you have to write mentally, okay? 8 plus 5, not one number in the mind, 5 on the finger, 8 on the mind, 5 on the finger, after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, not like that, children. You must answer mentally. 8 plus 5, 8. 5. You have to think suddenly and you can answer, that is, okay? So, 8 plus 5 is how much? 13. 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 8. For 8 if you add 2 is how much? 10. Like that you have to answer. 4 plus 6? 10. 9 plus 2? 11. 8 plus 4? 12. 7 plus 3? 10. Okay, children? Now, they given fill in the missing number. Okay. They are given in the circle. One number is given, another number you should add. See, in circle they are given 9. Okay, children. Then they are given one number. Okay. See, here given only dash plus 9 for this. This is 3 plus dash. This is 4 plus dash. This is 8 plus dash. This is 6 plus dash. And dash plus 6 is given. Okay. But one number is given, another number what should must add, you have to write, children. Answer should be, sum should be 9. So, for 9, okay. For what number if you add, you get 9? 0 plus 9. 0 plus 9 is how much? 9 only. But here 3 is given. Another number to get a 9? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How much this one? 6. So 3 plus 6 is how much? 9. Here 9, but 4 is there. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How much this one? 5. So 4 plus 5 is 9. Here 8 is there. 8, 9. That is how much this one? 1. So 8 plus 1 is 9. Here is 6 is there. So 7, 8, 9. How much this one? 3. 6 plus 3 is how much children? 9. Dash plus 6. So what you should add? 3. 3 plus 6 is 9. Okay children, fill in the missing number. coming to page number 150 in your textbook, children. 150 in your textbook. That is subtraction. Now we have learned addition. Now subtraction mentally. Okay. See, they given 8 minus 5 is how much? 8 minus 5 is how much, children? 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. 8 minus 5 is 3. So, choose the most suitable method to solve the problem quickly and practice. Okay. They are asking 8 minus quickly. See, 8 minus 7 is equal to 6. 8 minus 6 is equal to how much? 8 minus 7 is how much, children? 1. Or come like this. See in your textbook page, 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. This 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. That is 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. That is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times if you minus it. 8 minus 1 is 7. Again from 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. See how many times you have subtracted? 5. 8. From 8 you have subtracted 1 how many times? 5 times. So answer is what? 3. This is one method to subtract quickly. So next 8 minus 5 is equal to how much? 8 minus 5. That is 8 minus 5 is how much? You know that? 8 minus 5 is 3. So 5 minus 5 plus 3. So 8 is equal to how much? 8 is equal to 5 plus 3 also. Or 8 is equal to 3 plus 5 also. 8 only. Okay, children? Order, if you change the order also, number, the answer will be the same. 5 plus 3 also 8. 8 plus 3, 5 plus 3 also 8. 3 plus 5 also 8 only. Okay. See, 6 minus 2 is how much, children? 6 minus 2 is equal to how much? 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So answer is what? 6 minus 2. See, 1, 2. 6 minus 2 is how much? 4 is the answer. Okay. See, 2 times from 6 you minus 1, you get 5. When you get from 5 you minus 1, you get the 4 is the answer. Because only they are asking 2. 6 minus 2. Okay. Then 7 minus 4, children. 7 minus 4 is how much? So if you know 7 minus 4, how much? 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 7 minus 4 is how much? 3. Okay. 9 minus 6. See. From 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another one, 4 minus 1 is equal to how much, children? 3. So 9 minus 6 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. Okay. Now coming to page number 151, children, solve mentally. That is, first one is what? 5 minus 3. Okay, from 5, 3 is how much? 2. 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3, 0. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. How much? 3. After 2, see 5. Minus 2 is 3. 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6. After 6, 7, 8, 9. How much? Forward count after 6. 7, 8, 9. Till 9. How much this one? 3. 9 minus 6 is 3. 7 minus 3. After 3, count till 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. How much? 7 minus 3 is 4. 6 minus 6. 6 minus 6 is what? 0. 9 minus 2. After 2 count till 9. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How much this one? How much children? 7. 5 minus 0. How much? 5 minus 0 is 5 only. Okay. Now they are given one number, fill in the blanks. Second one is fill in the blanks. 6 they are given. In the middle one number is given. Okay. Dash minus 2. 9 minus dash. Dash minus 1. 8 minus dash. Dash minus 3. 7 minus dash. Okay. See, they are given 6. So from one number if you subtract, you must get the one number is given. From one number if you subtract, you must get the answer is 6. So from 9, how much if you minus 6, you will get the 6 answer. From 9 you have to minus one number, you will get the answer is 6. So how much from 9 you have to see, write it till 9 children, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So from minus 9 minus you want to get the answer is 6. So how much you have to subtract? See, from 9 you have to subtract how much? 1, 2, 3. Okay, 9 minus 3. That is back number what? 9 back number 8, 7, 6 is came. Now how much number? That is 3. 9 minus 3 is how much? See, 1, 2, 3. Answer is 6. Okay, now here 1 is there. So from which number if you minus 1 you will get a 6. How much number if you minus 6? 1 minus you will get 6. So from 7 if you minus 1 you will get a 6. So 7. Okay. See here from 8 minus which number if you minus from 8 you will get a 6 answer. So from 8 you come. See 1, 2. That is 8 minus 2 is 6. Okay. Now you have to get the answer is 6. But one number is 3 is there. So from which number if you minus you will get a 6 answer? See. So here see 1, 2, 3. Okay. From 9 you have to minus 3 you will get the answer 6. Okay. Then 7 is there. Okay. From 7 which number you have to minus you will get the 6 children. How much number you have to minus from 7? 7 is here. How much number you have to minus to get the answer 6? One number. So 7 minus 1 is how much children? 6. 7 minus 1 is 6. So here which number if you minus? See here 8 is there. 8 minus 2 is 6. 8 minus 2 is 6. But 2 is there. So what number you should write? 8. Okay children. Coming to page number 152 children in your textbook, addition and subtractions of multiples of 10, that is mentally. Okay, you can calculate that addition and subtractions. Okay. So then see first one, 10 plus 10 is equal to how much? 10 plus 10. So 0 is there, you put 1 0. Okay. 1 plus 1 is how much children? 2. So 10 plus 10 is how much? 20. 10 plus 10 is 20. So 60 plus 10 is how much? 60 plus 10 is equal to how much? 6 plus 1 is how much, children? 6 plus 1 is 7. So 0. See, 7 is there. So again 0, if you add 0 plus 0 is 0 only. So 7 plus 70, that one. 60 plus 10 is 70. Okay. 80 plus 10. So 80, you think that is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 like that. One finger is 10, you think. So 80 is there plus 10. After 80, this 10 one is 90. 80 plus 10 is 90. Or first you had the numbers 8 plus 1 is equal to 9 and 0 plus 0 is 0 only. So 9 plus 0 is 19 or 9 and here 0. This one. 1 plus is 0. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 10 plus is 8, 10 plus 1, 10 is 9, 10. That is 90. So coming to page number 153, children. Okay. 40 plus 20. 40 plus 20. So if you had 4 plus 2 is how much, children? 6. So 6. So 40 plus 20 is 60. Okay. 30 plus 40. So 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 3 plus 4 is 7. So 0 plus 0 is 0. Okay. So 30 plus 40 is how much? 70. 20 plus 70. So 2 plus 7 is how much, children? 9. So it is 90. 20 plus 70 is 90. So you got it now. 20 plus 2 plus 7 is 9. 0 plus 0 is 0. So 90. 20 plus 50, children. 2 plus 5 is how much? 7. 0. 70. 20 plus 50 is 70. 30 plus 40. 3 plus 4 is 7. That is 0. 30 plus 40 is 70. Coming to page number 154, children. That is subtraction. Okay. This is addition we have done of tens. Now it is a subtraction. See, children. 20 minus 10. So you know that is equal to how much? So 2 minus 1 is equal to how much, children? 1. Okay. So 20 minus 10 is equal to 10. Okay. Because 1's place is 0. So we put. So from 2 minus 1 is 1. So 20 minus 10 is 10 only. See. 10, 20. So minus 110. How much remain? 110 only. Okay. Second sum. 50 minus 20. 50 minus 20 is, so 5 minus 2, write it, children. 5 minus 2 is how much? 3. So that is 30. So if you know 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So minus how much? 20. 10, 20. Remaining is how much? 10, 20, 30. Okay. 60 minus 40. 60 minus 40 is how much? 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. So that is 20. 2, 10 is 20 like that. 90 minus 50. 90 minus 50. 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 is how much? 4. That is 40. 90 minus 50 is 40. Okay, children. So today we have learnt only addition and subtraction of a single digits mental arithmetic. Okay. Thank you.